I'm James, and what you're looking at right now is a picture of a peregrine falcon. Pretty weird, right? Curious? I'm sure. However, it will make perfect sense to you in just a few minutes. Believe it or not, this odd little peregrine falcon is your golden ticket to getting a beautiful, fully functioning website live online. Watch this presentation until the end, and you will also discover how to build a website from scratch in less than 60 seconds without feeling intimidated or overwhelmed. How to create any website you want within one click using fully functioning, beautiful starter sites without spending tons of cash or hiring a developer. Plus, the one thing you must absolutely avoid if you want to ensure building your website successfully and sticking with it. Now, I don't know how much longer these starter sites will be available for free, so watch this right now while you still can. So, what are the odds that you'll discover something totally unexpected and new today? I can tell you this, what I'm revealing today is the cutting edge way of building a website. It's fresh, new, and different. Picture in your mind how much better your life will be once you finally have your website live online. First, however, I'm going to share a rather embarrassing story with you. You'll see why my embarrassing little episode is so important to your website success in just a minute. Deal? Cool. So if you've been struggling with getting your website live online, the struggle is finally over. Essentially, what I'm giving you in this presentation is a simple step-by-step roadmap to making a fully functioning, beautiful website that you will have online in one click. Excited? You should be, because this is going to be a fun, easy, and more importantly, straightforward experience. Now, here's more of what you're going to learn. I'll show you how to optimize your website so you can start bringing in a ton of traffic to your website quickly, easily, and for free. And as a bonus, I'm going to teach you how to create my signature hybrid homepage, which is going to help you connect with your website audience. That's because my hybrid homepage is designed to deeply engage your audience and will practically compel visitors to keep coming back to your website and turn them into subscribers and ultimately buyers. Now, this presentation is jam-packed with good stuff, so switch off your phone, turn off Facebook or any other tab you've got open, and close off all distractions, because I'm pulling back the curtain on what I consider to be the fastest and easiest way to make your website starting from scratch. And it's so easy, a complete newbie can do it, really. And before we begin, I really want you to listen to this so you can ensure success with your website for weeks, months, and years to come. Listen, when I first started out online over 10 years ago, I was desperate to make a successful website. And I knew I needed a profitable website to make that happen. I jumped from course to course in failure after failure until finally something clicked, which changed everything for me. And I couldn't believe how simple it was. You see, when I was just starting out, I did what all the experts out there told me to do. I started creating content and lots of it. I would put links, images, and banners everywhere on my website, thinking it would bring in the cash. And my mindset was the more content with links I had, people would eventually just click my links and buy my stuff. So one Halloween, I was trying some affiliate marketing, and I built close to 500 websites promoting random Halloween costumes, hoping to get a commission from each costume that I sold. Batgirlcostume.com, Superman toddler costume.com, catcostumes.com. You get the idea. I had tons of these little silo sites with lots of content and cool pictures of the costumes, plus links to buy the costumes. And I genuinely thought I was going to make a ton of money, but it didn't happen. Looking back, I was focusing on quantity, not quality. This was back when you could build a keyword-rich domain website and Google would push it to the top of the search results. And I spent months getting these websites up and optimizing them and waiting for them to rank in Google. I made less than $1,000, which really sucked because it just wasn't enough to cover the amount of time or money I had invested into my silo sites. However, I'm a firm believer in never giving up and truly believe you learn more from your failure than you do your success. And my little experiment taught me how to properly build websites, get them ranking in Google, and how to sell products and do some affiliate marketing. Now, shortly after, I decided to create a video teaching what I had learned in terms of how to properly build a website that's designed to make you money. I thought it would be a good idea to document what I had learned so I could share it with what worked and what didn't work with other people. And that's when something completely unexpected happened. The video started to get amazing comments and views, and people were loving it. That was my aha moment. When I created the video, I didn't have any expectations at all. Truth be told, the video was highly educational because I was sharing my findings on how to properly set up a website that gets free traffic from Google and makes money without having to spend tons of cash on ads or hiring some expensive developer. I didn't realize it at the time, but that one video became the inspiration for Websites Made Easy. And all I really did was give amazing value to my audience by sharing my perspective and providing clarity on how to do this properly. Now, the reason why I'm telling you this is because this awareness that I've gained through this entire process has radically changed the way I now build my websites. Now my process is focused on setting up my website in a way to authentically connect with my audience by giving tons of benefit-driven value so I can build my audience and sell more stuff. This is now how I set up all my sites and what you will be learning today. Except this process of getting a website properly set up is so much faster now. The peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on the planet, flying at speeds up to 240 miles per hour, and is your mascot because you can now get your fully functioning website with all the pages up in less than a minute and one click. So let's get started. Now we'll be using WordPress, which is the same thing a lot of celebrities and companies use, such as Forbes, Katy Perry, Sony, CNN, New York Times, Jay-Z, and so many more. Now, all you need to know right now is this is the only way that you want to build a website, as it's super simple, will save you a ton of time and money, and after this video, you'll be able to do it yourself without even thinking about it. Now, there are 3 steps to completing your website. Now, step 1 is choosing a website's address, also known as your domain name, just like ours is at websitesmadeeasy.tv, and you're going to have your very own domain name too. And website hosting, so your website has somewhere to live and people could find it. Now, both of these are super cheap because I'm going to give you a special coupon code. Step 2 is creating your website pages and launching your brand new website. And in step 3, you'll be getting to know Astra Starter Sites, which is the free tool to creating beautiful looking websites, which is not only unique to you, but is so easy to use. You're going to love it. And I can't wait for you to see how awesome this tool is. You'll have a fully built out professional looking website imported in one click, saving you so much time. All your pages will be created: About Us page, Contact Us page, Services page, and all we need to do is customize them. It's something I wish I had when I was first starting out doing this. Okay, so let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your domain name and getting set up with website hosting. So to do that, we're going to head over to HostGator.com. So let's get started with step 1, which is choosing your domain name and getting set up with website hosting. So let's head over to HostGator.com. Now, I use HostGator not only for myself, but also for all my Websites Made Easy members because they're super reliable and they have awesome customer service. They know WordPress and are available 24/7 phone and chat support to deal with any issues or to answer any questions. Plus, I've been using these guys going on 10 years now without any real problems. Okay, so what you want to do now is click on Get Started in the middle of the page. Then select the hatchling plan if you only want one website. But if you're planning on having multiple websites, then I would recommend going with the baby plan, as this will give you unlimited domains. It's the only difference between the two. Now, this is really the only money you'll spend in this tutorial, and it comes under just $10 a month. It really is a small investment to get started with your website and have your business live online. Now, you want to register a new domain name. Now, hopefully you've really thought about this and picked a good domain name. If the name you want is not available, keep drilling down and use different URL extensions such as .com, .net, .org, etc., or even playing around with the actual name. Then go ahead and enter a username and security pin and choose the billing cycle you'd like. Now, I'm going to go with the whole year as it's slightly cheaper this way. Next, enter in billing information here and make sure you use an email address you can access, as HostGator will email you with your login details afterward. Next, you'll see it's added on extras here. You want to uncheck these as you don't need them. And now you want to enter the coupon code here. So enter WordPress Hero to be sure to validate your savings, and you'll see the cost will go right down, saving you up to 60% off your entire hosting, depending on the hosting package you choose. If you decide to go with a year or more, it will unlock a free domain, which is cool. Now, you should know that we do get a small affiliate commission for anybody that signs up, and we're going to save you money by getting you the lowest price possible. So it really is a win-win. You get the lowest price possible, and we get a small commission for you signing up. So it's great for everybody, and it helps support us to continue to make this content for you. Now, when you're happy with everything, click on Checkout Now, and you'll be the proud owner of your very own new website address. Okay, awesome. Now you'll receive a couple of emails from HostGator with your login details and some links to different things. This is very important, so you want to find the cPanel link here and click on that. The cPanel is where you can install WordPress to your domain name and also do lots more stuff with your website. So log in using the username and password which you chose, and in case you can't remember, they're both in the email you just received. At first, this might look a bit overwhelming. It did for me when I first saw it. There's lots of different things you can do here, but all you need to do right now is find the software and services area. So scroll down and you'll see it here. Now you need to find the PHP selector, and we want to click that and then change the PHP software to the latest one. Currently, the latest one is 7.0 as I'm creating this video. By default, it comes set at 5.4, so we want to be sure to update this. Now, this will ensure your WordPress website is using the latest software, so make sure you update this. Now, click back, and in the same section, Software, find Quick Install, and click on that, and click on WordPress here. Okay, all you need to do now is fill in a few things such as the email address, the person who will be looking after your website. So if this is you, you can put in your email address, then your name or the name of the person as well. Now give your website a title, then your name and last name, and click on Install WordPress. Once you've installed WordPress, you'll get a success message that it's complete. Your username and password are here. You're going to use these to log into your website. You'll also get an email with all of this in it as well. When you're ready, click on this link here, which will take you to the login or back end of your website, so you can edit and start creating it. And you might get an error message saying that the page isn't available yet, and you might have to wait until everything with your new website is set up. Then click the link again. Now, this is completely normal. It just takes a little bit for your website to become live online, and also you might have to set up the name servers for your new website, so don't worry about this. It's super easy. All you need to do is head over to HostGator again, and once you're there, click on the customer portal. Now log in using the username and password, which you'll find in the email HostGator sent you. Now you want to click on domains and click on your domain and find name servers. And then click on change. Then click on automatically point to my domain to my hosting account. Then save, and you are all done. Now you should be able to click on that link again, enter your username and password to log into WordPress, and you're in. Okay, awesome. You should now be in your WordPress dashboard, and you are now the proud owner of an online website. So congratulations. Well done for sticking with it. It's a huge achievement, and this is where the real fun is about to begin. And this is the WordPress dashboard, and think of it like the heart of your website where you can edit and change different things. Now, there's lots of different things going on in here, and we're going to talk about these very soon, so don't let it scare you or make you feel overwhelmed. It's not daunting at all. It's actually super easy to work with WordPress, and I'm going to show you how in this video. So the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and X out any of these notifications. And if yours does look a little bit different than mine, you have some more notifications, that's okay. Just X them all out for now. Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and take a peek and see what your website looks like right now. So head up here to the left and see the little home. Right click on that and open it up in a new tab. Now, as you can see, it's really plain. There's not a lot going on, but that's going to change real soon. We're going to get this bad boy dialed in and properly set up in a way to connect with your audience. Okay, so let's go ahead and head back to the WordPress dashboard area and go ahead and leave both these tabs open. This way we can see live edits. Now right here where it says your site is currently displaying a coming soon page, once you're ready to launch your site, click here. Go ahead and click this now. This way we'll have a live page that we can take a peek at when we want. And it's not showing a coming soon page. Okay, so now what we're going to do is really lay the foundation for your WordPress website. Think of it like building the foundation of a home. So the first thing that we're going to do is get rid of some default stuff that comes pre-installed on all WordPress websites. This way your website runs really smooth and optimal. So the first thing we'll do is head over to Pages and then All Pages. And then right here, go ahead and delete all of this. You can check it all. And then click Move to Trash. and then apply. Then click on trash. Then click on title to select them all, bulk actions right here, and then delete permanently, and then apply. Okay, perfect. Now I want you to head over here to plugins and then click on installed plugins. Now this is what makes WordPress so awesome, is that plugins extend and expand the functionality of your WordPress website. So you could add things like social sharing features, contact forms. You can even add plugins to change the language of your entire website, which is just awesome. So any functionality that you can think of, you can pretty much add to your WordPress website. It's pretty incredible. For now, we're going to get rid of the default plugins that we don't need because it's just bogging things down. So go ahead and click on plugin right here, and then we'll go ahead and click deactivate and then apply. Click on plugin again, and then we will delete them all and then apply. And then press OK. Awesome. Okay, so now we have all the default content removed. Now we're going to head over here to settings and then click on permalinks. Here we're going to do some optimization to create a good user experience and to make sure your site runs real smooth. Now this is extremely important. So basically you want to select post name here. So go ahead and select this. So people searching for your business will be able to find your website. So now what this does is it makes it so much easier for the search engines like Google to find your website and content. So think of it like this, yourwebsite.com/contact us or /about us. Now, whatever you're specifically trying to rank a page for, it will show up in the Google search results. So if people are looking for specific solutions, boom, your page will show up and they'll click on it and land on your various products or services. So it's very important to have this set up to post name. So go ahead and click Save Changes. Then head over here to General and click General. And right up here for your site title, go ahead and put in your business name or your website name. I'm just going to put in Websites Made Easy, or WME for short. And then for your tagline, put in something sharp and punchy, really describing the main benefit of your business or website. So I'll just put in create a profitable website and then save changes. Don't change anything else in here.